That's right. Put it down for the streets. That's right. Pass that Dutch. 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 Come on, pass the Dutch, baby. Shake, shake, shake your stuff, ladies.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara. For all of you guys who are new, welcome. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. So, today, as you can tell by the title below, I'm going to be doing my curly hair wash and go routine. So, if you're interested on how I go from this, stay tuned, or you can skip to the end, whichever. What I use is, for my shampoo, when I'm shampoo, I use the Coconut Curls shampoo, quenching one. I don't know if you guys can see that. I see a lot of people use the blue bottle, the argan oil, but that doesn't really work for my hair. It makes my hair really dry and like, it's just not the move. And then I use the Cream of Nature coconut milk for my conditioner. I don't know if you guys can see this either. What I also do after I shampoo and I condition my hair, I wash my hair again, but I use rice water. I use rice water on my hair is because it gives it a lot of protein, it makes it shine, makes it long, and just makes it all around popping. So, without further ado, let's shampoo. Okay, you guys, I just got out the shower. I showed you already what I washed it with. So I still have a little bit of conditioner left in my hair. So what I'm going to do now is start detangling it with this wide tooth comb. And I'm going to start from the bottom. I already start from the side. Oh, I said start from. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. It don't matter which way the sections are going. Y'all, I haven't brushed detangled my hair in like 2 weeks, so it's going to take some time. So now this is my hair, washed, conditioned, and untangled. And then the next thing I do is that I use the Cantu leave-in conditioner to define the curls. And as you can see, I use this a lot because I have to open the bottle to get it out. I need some more. Y'all know the struggle. And I need a lot. So I have a generous amount on my hands, and I'm just gonna work it from the root all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so, oh, let me get the edges. Don't forget the edges. So you guys, this is my hair. But then I go in with the Eco Styler gel and get a whole like guap, like a whole dab full, I guess. So I'm gonna like run through my hair and run the Eco Styler through it. I put the Eco Styler on my baby hairs too, but my hair's not dry yet. So, you guys, this is what it is. I'm gonna wait about probably like an hour or two for my hair to air dry. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see what the final product looks like. Hold on, guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It has been a couple hours now, probably like 3. This is what my hair looks like after it's air dried. It's still kind of wet. It's about 50% dry, so it's small right now, but in a couple days it's gonna get bigger, way bigger, and like in the beginning of this video. So I don't want to really do anything to it because I want it to stay little as much as it can, but I do shake my hair out so it can get a little bounce to it. But as you can tell, this is the final look. So when it has more volume, it's when I comb it, run my fingers through it, or blow dry it. So that's why it looks like this right now, but I'm satisfied with it. It looks a whole lot better than when we started, don't we? So, thank you everybody for tuning into this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. If you'd like to see some more tutorials, comment down below what you'd like to see. I'm taking suggestions. And if you would like to follow me on my other social media sites, I have a Snapchat. It's Kiara Bardashian. Yes, Bardashian. And my Snapchat is Kiki Kardashian. You can tell I'm a Kardashian fan, huh? But thank you for watching my video and supporting you guys. Thank you.